guys, welcome back to the channel. So since you all know that I am in Dubai, so when you are in Dubai you have to buy some gadgets. So most of you know that I'm an Apple fanboy and I visited Eero store. One thing to observe in in Dubai is that whenever you go to Dubai Mall to the Apple store, anything you buy from the Apple store you don't get VAT refund. So that's the reason I visited the store called Eros, where I got myself two products. Yeah, so one is the iPhone 16 Pro Max in 256 GB variant. This is a titanium, natural titanium finish, and then the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This also I bought the titanium Milanese loop. This is also natural titanium color. Let me open the phone first. Sharanya, come close by. Okay, so guys, this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max with natural titanium, and as you can see here, it's 16 Pro Max natural titanium 256 gigs. Let me just unbox it for now. The satisfaction of opening a iPhone Apple product is amazing.
Sir, it's ready.
Satisfaction of opening a iPhone Apple product is amazing. Yes. In fact, it's been 2 days since I got the phone. I was waiting for a correct moment to open. Guys, look at the finish. This is the natural titanium color. Let me just open it. So keeping the phone aside, you just get the charging loop, the lightning, not the USB type C cable, and a SIM ejector tool. That's it. So this is the natural titanium finish. Let me just open this. There is this dedicated camera new button. Okay, let me open it. Just listen to it, guys. I'll be quiet.
Yeah, boy.
Yes, this is it. I'll be making a first boot and everything later on, so I'll add that video later. Thanks, guys. So this is the watch, and I believe you can see here it's the natural titanium Ultra 2 natural titanium Milanese loop. Let me just unbox it. Look at the experience while opening the box, guys. So I believe this is a booklet that they've given. Not sure what's okay. This is about the different types of bands and everything explained, and this is the watch. I'll keep it aside, and this is the loop. So let me open the belt first. So every product unboxing has a satisfaction here, guys. So when you open it, this is how the loop looks. This is the titanium Milanese loop. Yeah. So now let me show you the watch. This is the watch here. So yeah, let's unbox this. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. And you get a charging loop again here, the magnetic one, Qi charger. And this is the watch. As you can see, let me open it. This is the watch, guys. The natural titanium. This is the new action button. I know many of you will ask, there was a new color, natural black, or the natural titanium black. Why didn't I buy this? I wanted this to match with my phone. That's the reason I got this color. Okay guys,
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
So guys, this was the unboxing of both iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So if you have any questions regarding the product, please do post it on the comments. I'll try to answer most of them. And if you need any other detailed video of how is it to use, and what are the difference, is there a difference, I'll also explain that. Currently I own a 13 Pro Max. So from 13 Pro Max to 16 Pro Max, it's a jump. So I will let you know what is the difference I notice. And also the watch I have currently is the Apple Watch Series 4, and this is the Ultra 2. I'll let you know what is the difference too on that. So thanks for watching the video guys. Until next time, love and peace from me to you. Bye bye.